Hey, welcome back my YouTube channel Bulbul Sitara. This is my new YouTube channel. So, can somebody tell to me? I post 11 videos in my Bulbul Sitara YouTube channel, but I say one video 1k views, one video 13, 33, two videos 1 views, 2 views. How it is possible? Can somebody suggest to me how I improve my subscriber, my views? Somebody have who are suggest to me how to improve myself, my new channel Bulbul Sitara.